Now, I recently was approved for the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card. Now, this credit card is Chase Premier credit card with tons of travel benefits. And this card is a Visa Infinite credit card, which means that the approval for this credit card initial limit will be $10,000 and up if you are approved. I was approved for $24,000. And with this card, it gives you access to airport lounge through Priority Pass. And that access is over 1,300 lounges around the world. And with this credit card being issued by Chase, Chase is one of the top tier credit card companies and have some really stiff credit requirements. So I want to give you guys some credit hacks on how you can be pre-approved for this card and how you can find out if you are. Now, if you're new to my channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. And I'm in the middle of my credit boot camp, which is designed to help you increase your credit score, and it is absolutely free. I upload a new video on Fridays, and if you miss those videos, I do have a playlist and a free Facebook group to offer you support while you're trying to increase your credit score. I also give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. And I have other removal packages for purchase for your negative items. And if you need my help personally, I do have a link where you can sign up and we can go over your credit issues. Now, I always leave all these links in the pinned comment section and the description of each and every video. So let's jump into this information. Now, the key benefit to this card is access to exclusive airport lounges, and through Priority Pass, you can get access to over 1,300 airport lounges around the world that you can get free complimentary food and drink. And each card holder can bring up to 2 guests into these lounges. So it is a great perk while you're flying that you get access to this lounge, and you will be able to have free Wi-Fi. And Chase themselves have their own lounges. And Chase have 8 lounges open right now. One recently they opened in Austin, and that is Austin Bergstrom Airport, which is great for me because I fly out of that airport. And so with this as being a card holder, you have exclusive access to these lounges. Also, with Priority Pass, you have access to restaurants. So while you're laid over, you can get a drink, food, and you get a credit at these restaurants for each person and a guest of a $28 per person credit. Now, if you actually order your food and it's under each credit, you will get that food for absolutely free with these restaurants in the Priority Pass. And if you and your spouse both are card holders, if one has the card and the other is an authorized user and you have children, you both can use this option for your children, and you and your family could eat for free. This card also gives you 3x points on dining. So even if you have eligible delivery service, when you use this card, you can get that with exclusive restaurants that you like to go to or any dining experience. So you can use this benefit if you dine out often, or if you're a person that vacation a lot and you like dining out. This is a great way to rack up points. Now, one of my favorite parts of this card is the $300 travel credit. Now, this is an annual credit where you can get a statement credit for purchasing airline tickets or upgrading to first class. And I was able to use this immediately to get a credit for an airline ticket. So this is a great benefit. You can apply this credit not only to flights, but hotels and Airbnb stays. So this is really great for whatever category of travel you would want to use this credit for. This card also gives you global entry and a free TSA credit up to $100 for every 4 years. And this card has no foreign transaction fee. By using your Ultimate Rewards portal, you can get 50% more value in your travel redemptions for your points. Now, with the Luxury and Hotel Resorts collection, you can get access to daily breakfast for two, free Wi-Fi, room upgrades, early check-in and late checkouts, and special amenities unique to each property. You can get access with this card. And with Chase points, they're easy to use because you can transfer their points with their transfer partners. Now, some of these partners are airlines where you can transfer up to 1,000 points with JetBlue, United Airlines, Southwest Airlines, and others. You can also transfer to hotels like Marriott and Hyatt. You can also use your points for car rentals. They also have a partnership where you can receive elite status for your car rental with National and Avis and Silver Car, which can allow you to get free upgrades on your rental car. Also for you to skip the counter and just go right out to get your car. And with this credit card, it includes primary rental insurance, meaning you don't have to pay for that extra insurance for collision and coverage every day for your rental car. And that's like $35 a day. A great thing with this card, it also includes roadside assistance up to $50 for each occurrence. The card also includes free membership passes for DoorDash and Instacart for a full year. This card comes with 24-hour concierge service, and you get 2 complimentary years of Lyft Pink All Access for free. And you get 5x points on flights that you purchase through Chase. Also 10x points when you purchase your hotels and car rentals through Chase. 10x points for dining through Chase. Also the annual $300 travel credit, 3x points on travel that you spend outside of Chase, and 3x points on dining that you spend worldwide outside of Chase portal, and 50% more redemption value when you go through the Chase portal. Right now, they're offering a 60,000 point sign-up bonus after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. Now, with this, it's a value of $900 towards travel when you redeem it through the Chase Ultimate Rewards. So that's the portal in Chase. Now, with this card and with Chase cards, there are hacks where you can see if you're pre-qualified or pre-approved. And some cards, it will show you that you are approved and what your credit limit is. So we're going to break that down, and I'm going to show you how you can find that out. Now, with this credit card being Chase Premium Top Tier Premier Credit Card, they are looking for higher income. So the average income approval for this card for a household approval is $60,000 and up to $150,000. If you have more than that, The more the merrier, but it's the household income you can use. So if you're married, combine you and your spouse income. If you're in a relationship and you're living together, combine your incomes and all outside income like child support, alimony to add to your household income so you can be approved. Now, this being Chase is known for their 524 rule, meaning they don't want to see that you have 5 new accounts in a 24-month period or 2 years. It doesn't matter how good your credit score is, it will be an automatic disapproval if you're outside this scope. So even if you got an 850 credit score, I would not apply for this card if you have more than 5 new accounts in that 2 years or 24 months. Also, they will be pulling from Experian for your approval. Now with Chase, for this credit card, you're going to need at least a 725 credit score and up. Okay. Now the average approval for this credit card is a credit score of a 740, but going for this card with a 725 and up is pretty much you're in the ballpark of what credit score they're looking for. Now, with that 725 and up, you cannot have any collections, no late payments within the last 2 years. Anything negative can get you disapproved, any paid charge-offs. Chase is just not that type of company, which makes them edge out American Express now for one of the top tier companies because they do have really strict approval rules. So you want to take these hacks that I'm giving you. Now with this card, it does have an annual fee of $550, but with the travel credit that you can use instantly, that $300 travel credit, which will become a statement credit, it kind of bring down the annual fee down to $250. And with that 60,000 point sign up bonus, if you're using the Chase website, that's actual a value of $900 that you can use to get back and redeem for this card. Now you can find out if you're pre-approved or even have a guaranteed offer if you're already a Chase customer. You can log into your Chase account on your computer or even through your mobile app, then open the main menu, click the Just For You in the Explore Products section, and then you can see if you're approved for a credit card or even already approved. And sometimes what they will show you is what is your already approved card and card limit. So as you can see here, it'll tell you you're already approved and the limit amount. Now, there are even some times when Chase does open up their pre-qualification tool for people who are not customers. I will leave that link, but many times they will shut that down. And so you want to check with that link often to see if you can pre-qualify. Once you get your name in Chase system, if you're not a customer, then they will send you mailers when you do become a pre-approval for them, and that will give you a better odds for being approved for their credit card. But if you're already a customer, you can check out this, and then you can see if you're already guaranteed approved for a credit card or even pre-approved or pre-qualified. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have questions, you can leave it in the comment section. And I also have a place on my website where you can submit your questions, and all your questions go directly to my cell phone if you have private questions. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.